Okay, a quick video to show you how to add a copier to your list of printers for printing directly to it as per Sue's email. Let's start with that email. This has got the printing software that you need attached to it, so you'll want to start there. If you're working from the website, from the Learning Hub, the software is too big for me to attach to the bottom of this page, so there's a link here for you to go get the software to download. It'll bring you to this page, which should auto-detect what operating system you are using, so it'll provide you with the right drivers. And then you click the download button and it will be in your downloads folder or wherever you have it set up to put files you're downloading, and pull it out of there. It looks something like this, the UFR2 software drivers. And that should work for all of those copiers. So run that, install the software, and then once you've accomplished that, you want to go back to get this information here. You want to know which, depending on which copier you are adding, you'll need some of these pieces of information. So let's go to our system preferences to add the printer. Go to printers and scanners. There's a plus down here at the bottom of your list. Click the plus, go to IP, because you're going to add this by IP address. That's why you need this information over here. So let's say that I wanted to add the lower green copier. So I could copy this address and paste it in, or I could just type it in. You want to choose, instead of what might show up for you by default as Internet Printing Protocol or IPP, choose HP Jet Direct socket. Seems to be working better for us. Give it a name that means something to you instead of the IP address. I have been typing in the word copier first, so that in my list it shows up alphabetically. All the copiers will show up together, but you call it whatever you like. Instead of generic PostScript printer for the use, choose select software. And then this big long list shows up. That's where it's also nice to know what kind of copier it is that we're adding. So the lower green copier is a 4235. We'll type in 4235, and it'll narrow the list to the proper one, and say OK. I'm going to add an E in there. And so then we have all this information in here. We click Add, and there it goes. So if I look back on my list, you'll see that I've got these copiers added. It also helps me know that I'm not sending it to the printer that's called lower green. It's pretty clear to me that I'm sending it to the copier, so it goes to the right place. Okay, there you go.